Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I will guide you on how to remove your phone number from Facebook easily. So let's get started. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone and tapping on your profile picture to access your profile page. Once you're on your profile, tap on the Edit Profile button and scroll down until you see the Edit Your About Info option. So select it. In this section, scroll down further to find the Contact Info section and tap Edit. Here, you will see a list of phone numbers linked to your Facebook account. Now locate the phone number you want to remove, tap on Remove and confirm the action by entering your Facebook password when prompted. Once you have completed this step, the phone number will be removed from your Facebook account. So that's it. It's a simple and quick process. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you in the next video.